Hey, what's up? This is Jason Drone. Today I want to walk you through what I call the segmentation survey, or the thing that we lovingly call the ugly survey. So I'm going to walk you through why it works, how to set it up, and we're going to talk about what the outcomes could be. So first of all, you can use these surveys as either standalone pages, or you can use them as a confirmation page. So if somebody signs up for a lead magnet, somebody buys something low ticket, you can use them immediately afterwards on the confirmation page or the thank you page and start to put them into buckets. Now this is a funnel. So as people go in the top of the funnel, then you're going to get better and better data as you go to the bottom. And your prospects are also going to be more and more qualified. So we either set up 3 questions or 4 questions. And the 4th question is usually the call to action. So the first question is a yes or no question. Very, very simple to answer. But you want to get them to tell you something about themselves, just clicking a button. The second question is the challenge question. So that is usually pretty simple. What is your number one challenge that you're facing right now? Whether it be in health and fitness, whether it be in investment, whether it be in trading, whatever. And then question 3 is the cause of the challenge. So what external force is responsible for that challenge in your prospect's life? And then the 4th question is a challenge number or a measurement of some sort. So you want to know how challenged are they? What is the level of challenge in their life? It can be a simple rate your challenge from difficult, very difficult, or extremely difficult, or you can give it a number. And what this helps you do as people move through your segmentation survey, it lets you define your customer avatar, your exact customer avatar. It also lets you segment your email list and segment your marketing based on what challenge they have and right now in the moment. You can also run level matched retargeting. So you can run retargeting campaigns based on their answers, based on the pages they visit. You can also run cold ads more smartly, or smarter, I should say. So you can run cold traffic speaking directly to the challenge in lookalike groups. You can also send them to the pages that they are most likely to convert on. And you can diversify your product. You diversify your product line. So you can have multiple product lines or all stemming out of the same product for different needs, different challenges, different folks. And at the end of the day, you convert more prospects into customers, into buyers. And that's really what we're trying to do. So a segmentation survey really takes a bunch of people in the front. There's a gateway that everybody funnels through, but then by the time they finish, they exit the survey, you know who they are, what they want, what their challenges are, and what they came to you to help solve. So it ends up being a nice linear path through your process. We created a piece of software called Askly that helps automate this process. It's a point and click survey builder that helps you create these segmentation surveys and add as many questions as you want or as few questions as you want, but the ideal number is 3 or 4. You can use them on your confirmation pages. You can use them from your email list. You can even use them to send traffic and generate leads on the backside. Lots of different ways to use it. But at the end of the day, it's all about converting the right people in your process at the right time. Solving their challenges, focusing on their problems, and giving them solutions that work for their lifestyle, for their business, and so on. So just go to askly.org, sign up for a free trial, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.